Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer, where we find classic motorcycles for sale across the United States. Here are 15 interesting vintage bikes currently on the market. Number 1. 1986 Harley-Davidson Sportster XLH 883, $1,500, Maryville, Tennessee. This 1986 Harley-Davidson Sportster XLH 883 is an affordable entry into classic Harley ownership. Finished in blue and showing about 38,000 miles, the bike features the well-known 883cc V-twin engine along with a chain drive setup that many riders appreciate for its simple and durable design. Sportsters from this era are often popular with riders who enjoy restoring or customizing vintage American motorcycles. According to the seller, the bike comes with a clean Tennessee title but will need a new starter and clutch pack before it can run and ride again. Some newer parts have already been installed, which may help the next owner continue the work. At $1,500, it could be an appealing project for someone looking to bring a classic Harley back to life. Number 2. 1975 Honda CB360T, $3,995, Venice, Florida. The 1975 Honda CB360T is a classic mid-size twin from Honda's well-known CB lineup of the 1970s. This blue example shows about 15,445 miles and represents the reliable engineering and timeless styling that made Honda motorcycles so popular during that decade. Many riders remember bikes like the CB360 as approachable, dependable machines that were perfect for everyday riding. The seller describes this bike as running great and being in excellent condition for its age, with maintenance history available. With its classic appearance and smooth twin-cylinder performance, this CB360T offers a nostalgic riding experience for enthusiasts who appreciate vintage Japanese motorcycles. Number 3. 1977 Moto Guzzi Convert Police V1000, $5,000, Charleston, South Carolina. This 1977 Moto Guzzi Convert Police V1000 is a distinctive former law enforcement motorcycle that has been restored and is reported to be fully functional. Models like this were used by several police departments, including the Los Angeles Police Department, and are known for their unusual automatic transmission paired with Moto Guzzi's signature longitudinal V-twin engine. Finished in black and showing around 35,000 miles, the motorcycle comes with a clear title and is described as ready to ride with no known issues. Vintage police motorcycles like this often attract collectors who enjoy machines with a unique history and engineering. Number 4. 1978 Suzuki GS750, $1,900, Louisville, Kentucky. The 1978 Suzuki GS750 helped establish Suzuki's reputation for building strong and reliable inline-four motorcycles during the late 1970s. This purple example shows about 29,075 miles and reflects the solid performance that made the GS series popular among riders looking for smooth power and dependable handling. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs great and remains in excellent condition for its age. It also comes with a clear Indiana title in hand. With a price under $2,000, this GS750 could represent a very accessible classic Japanese four-cylinder motorcycle. Number 5. 1987 BMW K75, $3,100, Canton, Georgia. The 1987 BMW K75 is part of BMW's well-known K-Series lineup and is widely respected for its smooth three-cylinder engine and strong touring capability. This black example shows approximately 38,514 miles and reflects the durable engineering that helped make the K75 a favorite among long-distance riders. Included with the sale are several useful accessories, such as BMW hard bags, a motorcycle cover, and a parking mat. With its comfortable design and reputation for reliability, the K75 remains a solid vintage sport touring motorcycle for riders who appreciate classic German engineering. Number 6. 1978 Yamaha XS 750 Triple, $2,200, Evansville, Indiana. The 1978 Yamaha XS 750 Triple is a classic Japanese motorcycle known for its unique three-cylinder engine and smooth performance for its era. This particular example shows around 17,000 miles and is described as being in good condition for a bike that is more than 4 decades old. Models like the XS 750 helped Yamaha compete strongly in the growing multi-cylinder motorcycle market of the late 1970s. According to the seller, several important maintenance items have already been replaced, including the clutch, brake pads, tires, spark plugs, and ignition wires, along with fresh oil and fluids. The bike can be a bit cold-natured when starting, but once warmed up, it reportedly rides well and can be taken on regular trips without issue.
Tires ride it?
Number 7. 1968 Triumph T120R Bonneville, $9,500, San Jose, California. The 1968 Triumph T120R Bonneville is one of the most iconic British motorcycles of the classic era. Powered by a 650cc parallel twin engine, the Bonneville became famous for its strong performance and timeless styling. This example has been restored to appear exactly as it would have when it left the Triumph factory in Meriden in 1968. The seller states that the motorcycle was rebuilt using many new old-stock components, including an original fuel tank finished in the factory Hi-Fi Scarlet paint. Details such as re-chromed Dunlop rims, stainless spokes, correct Smith's gauges, Lucas Electrics, and new Dunlop K70 tires have all been carefully restored or replaced. The bike has not yet been started or ridden since the restoration was completed. Number 8. 1978 Kawasaki KZ400B1, $1,900, Crivets, Wisconsin. The 1978 Kawasaki KZ400B1 represents the dependable middleweight motorcycles that became popular in the late 1970s. This green example shows about 17,600 miles and still carries some personal history, including a parking sticker on the front fork from when the owner used the bike during college. The seller mentions that the motorcycle served as primary transportation for an entire summer and proved to be reliable and easy to live with. A few age-related issues remain, including a small hole in the left exhaust that has been temporarily wrapped and a seat that is beginning to tear. The sale also includes a bin of spare parts along with the original B1 owner's manual. Number 9. 1953 BSA Bantam D3, $4,900, Newborn, Georgia. The 1953 BSA Bantam D3 is a small displacement British motorcycle that played an important role in post-war motorcycling. Known for its lightweight design and simple engineering, the Bantam became one of the most widely used commuter bikes in the United Kingdom during the 1950s. This particular example has undergone a complete restoration and is described as being in excellent condition for its age. The seller reports that the motorcycle runs great and has no known issues, making it ready for its next owner to enjoy. A clear title is also included with the sale. Number 10. 1979 Vespa 50 Special, $2,400, Edwardsville, Illinois. The 1979 Vespa 50 Special is a classic small displacement Italian scooter known for its distinctive styling and simple practical design. Finished in orange, this 50cc model reflects the timeless Vespa layout, including the unique handlebar-mounted clutch and gear shifter on the left side. According to the seller, the scooter remains in pretty good shape considering its age and still runs well. Vintage Vespas like this often attract enthusiasts who appreciate their lightweight feel, classic design, and the nostalgic charm of traditional Italian scooters. Number 11. 1985 Yamaha FJ600, $4,000, Pine Island, Minnesota. The 1985 Yamaha FJ600 was considered one of the more advanced mid-size sport bikes of its era, combining lightweight handling with strong and reliable performance. This red example stands out for its exceptionally low mileage, showing just 6,806 original miles, which is quite rare for a motorcycle of this age. According to the seller, the bike runs perfectly, starts easily, and features a Vance & Hines exhaust that gives it a distinctive sound. It has always been garage-kept and carefully maintained. With its condition and low mileage, this FJ600 represents a well-preserved piece of Yamaha's early sport bike history. Number 12. 1961 Royal Enfield 350 Bullet, $3,850, Canoga Park, California. The 1961 Royal Enfield 350 Bullet is a classic British single-cylinder motorcycle from an era when Royal Enfield was still producing bikes in England. Powered by a 350cc overhead valve four-stroke engine with a four-speed transmission, the Bullet became known for its durability and traditional design. This particular motorcycle is described as an original survivor in good running and riding condition. Interestingly, this exact bike was featured in the January 2023 issue of the magazine The Classic Motorcycle, where it appeared in an 8-page feature. The sale also includes the factory owner's manual, parts manual, workshop manual, and a clear California title. Number 13. 1977 Suzuki GS 750B, $3,900, DeBary, Florida. The 1977 Suzuki GS 750B is widely regarded as one of the most respected Japanese motorcycles from the late 1970s. Powered by a smooth and reliable inline-4 engine, the GS 750 helped establish Suzuki's reputation for building strong and dependable performance bikes during that period. This particular example shows just 11,041 miles and is described as very clean and well-preserved. The red fuel tank with gold striping presents beautifully, while the chrome components remain in very good condition. According to the seller, the bike runs strong, starts easily, and shifts smoothly, making it ready to ride and enjoy. Number 14. 1976 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, $3,300, Dallas, Georgia. The 1976 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 represents the classic Ironhead era of Sportster motorcycles, known for their distinctive sound and strong personality. This black example, with red, white, and blue accents, reflects the custom chopper style that many riders associate with vintage Harley builds. The seller reports that several maintenance items have recently been completed, including new front brakes, a cleaned carburetor, new spark plugs, wires, battery, air filter, and fresh oil. The bike features electric start and is described as running strong and very loud. A box of original parts and additional items will also be included with the sale. Number 15. 1981 Suzuki GS650, $800, Ottumwa, Iowa. The 1981 Suzuki GS650 is a middleweight Japanese motorcycle that offered a balance of power, reliability, and everyday usability during the early 1980s. This tan-colored example is described as running and riding, making it an inexpensive entry point into vintage Japanese motorcycles. The seller notes that the bike does not currently have a title, but it does come with an extra seat included in the sale. Priced at only $800 or best offer, it could appeal to someone looking for a budget project or a simple vintage bike to ride. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Moto Market Explorer for more classic motorcycle finds. See you in the next video.